What is going on, guys? It is Neil or Nitrous Gaming here, back with another video. I don't know if you guys can tell, but we're in Destiny 2. And yeah, here's my guy. I'm a hunter. I'm running Gunslinger. And yeah, I got Mida. I just got Mida like an hour ago. I'm 311 light. I'm still working on him. I have not beat the raid, but I did give it an attempt yesterday. And yeah, so I have Full Cheetah here, or Evan. You want to say hi, Evan?
Hey.
Then we have Snake Eyes Nick, or Eric. Want to say hi?
What's up, my dude?
No, don't ever do that again. Okay, so we're just gonna head straight into comp. And so far, I've been doing pretty good. It's just Evan is a big KSer, so yeah, you gotta deal with them. It's hard out there, man. So I'm gonna run Night Stalker for this time. Actually, no, this is better. That Vortex, Marching Dodge, really. I get Spike Grenade and Triple Jump. Okay, we are good. And we're gonna load into a game. Alright, guys, we're loading into a game, and it turns out Snake Eyes Nick, his name isn't Eric. That's his dad's name. I saw his name, like, so his name's actually Nate, right?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna call him Snake Eye. And yeah, we're loading into game, and I'll catch you when we're down there. Alright, guys, we're here. We're in comp. Let's go. I'm running the Mida multi-tool. A Suros, I forgot the name of this. It's a Suros pulse rifle.
Ow!
And for heavy, I'm using a rocket launcher from the Vanguard. Okay, guys. They're flanking from behind. Evan, you suck.
By a level 5,
Sears.
Evan, that's
Evan,
trash.
Evan, you
You're the
suck.
freaking Sears throwback.
So?
The Mida mini tools is trash.
It's not trash. You just know how to use it.
Really close to angles.
Wrecked.
I was about to
If
steal your
anyone
kill.
KS that, I would have straight up kicked you.
1 minute. You're ahead on lives.
Don't die, Evan.
Anyone steals your kills, you're kicking them, right? Because I can hear you. Michael's lagging.
Fire team that fights together.
Oh dang, we're destroying
Enemy
them.
team is out of lives.
There's one behind.
Oh my god, I actually almost died there. I
For the
choked.
rest of us.
Oh.
30 seconds. Slay your enemy and they
Oh my god, dude.
Nope.
One
Is he
opponent
retarded?
remains. 3 lives left. Strength in numbers, Guardian.
Oh my gosh.
Boom.
You just freaking stole my kill, but okay.
I didn't steal anything, Evan. Alright, guys. Second round.
Yeah, guys,
Evan,
second
back off.
round.
Evan,
Let's
back off.
go.
Evan, you're wide open. Get behind cover.
I am. There's a big rock in front.
Oh, they're next to me.
Okay,
Hey.
we're coming. Don't worry.
Whole squad,
5
boys.
lives left.
Oh my god, that's all of them. Evan, back off. You run, boy.
I got one.
Dude, he still won! That's Nate,
What?
that's Nate, that's
Oh my
Nate, that's
gosh.
Nate.
Dude, the aim assist just took me off it.
One minute left.
Okay, traded kills.
Not a chance.
What a chance might say.
Like you, I could make the frontier
Oh!
again. Enemy team
Nice.
is out of lives. Top
Where's this last
Dude, I
guy?
need a heal, dude. I'm on a 10-player kill streak.
Oh, you just stole my kill.
Slay your enemy.
I didn't mean to. I got
No,
first
I'm
hit,
sorry.
just like you said.
No, you didn't.
Yes, he did.
Even though we're close, you were.
Together as one.
Yes.
One enemy left.
Evan, if you...
Either team has lives left.
Can't touch this.
They got a sweep. No, Neil, you gotta sweep him up.
Dude, Snake, we're carrying you. And Evan, not so much, but this.
No, you're not.
This is like a 2v4. Dude, you've got 4 kills.
So how much do you guys have?
14.
Okay. Hey, you have 2 more kills than me.
Shot me
I'm not
through
as
the wall.
okay. I don't play as much as you guys.
I literally got this game a couple days ago.
Well, yeah, I don't
There's another one
play
in
like
tunnel.
every day. I don't play
don't either.
Pokemon every day.
Yeah, no one does.
3 lives left.
No! Dang it, I lost my streak.
Pokemon Go.
Don't sing that, please.
Back on Uriel's.
Uriel's
Got me
gift.
from the side. Yeah,
You should be able to fight that.
got me from the side. I was grouped in somewhere
Only
else.
1 minute left. Either team has lives left. Show no mercy.
You stole my kill.
He was stunned. Good
And
job.
that's what you get. That's what you get for kicking
Dude, I
my kill.
predicted that stun. Got him.
30 seconds. Both teams out of reserve. End this.
Storm Chance. Storm Caller.
Opponent back.
Storm Caller, Evan.
Knocked out.
Evan, Storm Caller, run, Evan!
He didn't get me. It's all. Oh, no, he did.
Rip. Yes, dude.
Oh,
Clutch.
are we gonna flawless this?
20 kills, dude. I'm 14 kills.
Two.
ahead of
Have
you.
them where you want them. Finish this.
If I beat Evan in this, I'm gonna laugh.
But
Yeah,
you're
because you
not.
kept on stealing my kills.
Anyway, you can see the radar when scoped in with this gun. That's good.
I tether. Oh, dang it! My freaking. I hate.
5
Loaded.
lives left.
Oh, he walked into it. What an idiot. He's coming from behind. He's coming from behind. Not a chance, bud. Nice. Evan, you KS'er. How dare you,
No,
child?
I saw him first.
It's
What do
hilarious.
you mean you saw him first? Oh. He's dead as a doorknob.
There's one on curve. I can't see. Oh,
He's absolute.
One
him.
enemy left. 30 seconds. Play your enemy and they
I bet he's about to pop it.
He ulted.
oh dang.
Nice, dude.
Really, I just
Flawless.
popped my ult for nothing.
social victory.
I got a
Illuminated,
legendary
baby.
and I got
Illuminated.
gloves.
Yes, I got a legendary too. Oh yes, yes! Oh my God, yes!
Good job, nice guys. Save it.
I
Let's see
tell
this loot.
everyone you're my favorite guardian.
I'm his favorite guardian,
Okay.
guys. He just told me
You
that.
fight like an animal.
I fight like an animal? That's rude. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, share with your friends, whatever. That'll help me grow the channel. I'm really trying to reach 100 subscribers. I'm not going to go anywhere with this channel. This is just for fun. If you guys enjoyed, once again, subscribe. Yeah, I already said that. And I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope you got what you wanted for Christmas. And yeah, once again, guys, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.